all pending issues on medical equipment and related services deployed by the national government in counties have been agreed upon by the two levels of government. Intergovernmental participation agreements, IPAs, have been executed between the Ministry of Health and individual county governments.
Finally, we have now executed the IPS, and that moving forward, the noise that has been around on the medical managed equipment services, that has been put to an end. And as a ministry, we have been given the mandate by the governors to proceed and get into service level agreements that shall ensure that services are provided at the county facilities.
Which we have very history on how the MES was consumed, or rather consummated. We are now on a new level where our interest is the service to the people, as long as the national government is providing the equipments. And we are convinced beyond any reasonable doubt that we have done the right decision. That is why we have signed today, because we need the equipment irrespective of the model of engagement with the vendors. Because as counties, as we are consumers, the agreement between the national government and the vendors is something they have already put in place, and they're satisfied that it is a good relationship.